What's up? So, basically we got Bryalle, you know. So I copy off that one song called "Quit It." If you don't know that song, look it up. Bryalle, "Quit It." Oh, I didn't copy it, but like I just assumed that this was like the beat. Like it's kind of like I don't know. I don't know, but look. So all right, look. So I'm gonna show the main vocals first, I guess. Oh yeah, oh yeah, music booty ill. She gonna give me cuties ill. Oh for the bitch I did it ill. Oh for the hoe I'm in it. I'ma win it like Gunna. She want me to I'm funna. Okay, huh, okay, huh, okay, huh. The new tick so booty ill. Oh yeah, niggas too fruity ill. All they make me illa. Gonna make me a dealer. Yeah. Ain't loud, just saying shit. Just trying to get the video finished. But nah, but the preset good. Both of these presets are elite. I'm telling you. This shit is elite. Now left right, like this preset left right. If you listen to the song, you know exactly what I'm talking about. She want me to I'm funna. Okay, huh? Okay. Let me show it real quick. Look. Let me show it real quick. Look. Alright, look, so basically, you just, you know, it's kind of the same as no presets, some stuff different, but like, all you gotta do is make the volume like half, like low, like right here, and then you make the left, you take this, and then you make the left like the same, like make the left like 50, then make this the right like 50, like make it like the same amount, then I'm gonna show the main vocals. I mean, no. I'm gonna show the thing all together. I'm just gonna start from right here. Oh yeah, music booty ill. She gonna give me cuties ill. Oh for the bitch I did it ill. Oh for the hoe I'm in it. I'ma win it like Gunna. She want me to I'm funna. Okay, huh, okay, huh, okay, huh. The new tick so booty ill. Oh yeah, niggas too pretty ill. All they make me illa. Gonna make me a dealer. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, that's basically it. Peace.